Well, hello there. How are you? Anybody else want a pumpkin spice latte that's chilled? Or I guess that's an iced pumpkin spice latte. Either way, are you picking up what I'm putting down? Are you doing all of that? It's the season. I just scared Sadie. I have my sous chefs here today. We have Jake. Hello, Mr. Jake. And then we have Sadie. No, you don't want to say hi? All right, my little lovers. Yes, everybody knows them. They're very famous. They're Tracy's dogs. And I also get a lot of comments or whatever, emails. Well, is Tracy always traveling? Why does she never have her dogs? Tracy loves her dogs. Tracy's not always traveling. Josh is a dog snatcher, so...
I like you more than your mommy. Yes. Oh.
Forget locking up your kids, lock up your dogs. Because if Josh is around, he's gonna snatch your dogs. We are making a peach cobbler today. What do you think about that? Bam! But I'm really gonna try to channel my inner host this holiday season. As you can see, I've already peeled and sliced about 12 peaches. That's why I've only made it one other time. It takes a lot of time. So that's the first step we gotta do. So let's go. I just take my little potato peeler. I think there's one that's actually smaller. I think it took me 30 minutes to do those 12. All right, so essentially we're gonna say that this is all peeled, right? And then all you're gonna do is do a little cutting, right? You cut around, look at that pretty peach, look at it. Cut around the little thingy. And then you just cut lengthwise, you know, really pretty. You get the point, right? You get the point. And you're going to turn your saucepan on, or whatever you want to call it, medium heat, and you're gonna dump your peaches in there. So follow me. Throw your peaches in there. Then you're gonna add a cup and a half of sugar. Cup and a half of sugar. I think
It's definitely a no for me, dog.
You're gonna add 2 cups of sugar to it. Yes, sir. And a half a teaspoon of salt. Bam. And then you just let this kind of do its thing. Okay, medium heat, go. That's gonna do its business for a while. Then you're gonna make a little mixture, which consists of 2 cups of flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 cups of brown sugar, and it's supposed to be a cup and a half of sugar, white sugar, you know, just regular granulated sugar. That is probably a half a cup. So it's pie, or whatever you want to call it, you know, peach cobbler. I have powdered sugar, and clearly you're not supposed to use this, but it's in the same family. So for the sake of continuing the video, cup and a half of milk. Here we go. Melt a stick and a half of butter in your pan. All right, this should melt quickly because our oven's already preheated to 350 degrees. So melt. Trouble. Dance break. Too legit to quit. Okay, maybe not. Okay. Nice, melted. Oh, look at that. Swivel around. Now we're gonna put our lovely mixture in here. Mix it all up. Now we take our beautiful peaches and sugar and our dash of salt, and I wanna add some more brown sugar. Yes, this is a lot of brown sugar, but it's my business. Trying to overcompensate for something, not like the people who drive big trucks. Thank you, baby Jesus, for blessing me.
What the heck?
Little cinnamon. You're gonna toss this in your oven. You're gonna put this in your oven, like I said, 350 for 45 minutes to an hour. Please come out tasting the way you did last time. Setting my timer. I still haven't set up Siri, so.
Set a timer for 30 minutes.
Your timer is set for 30 minutes.
What? Hey Siri.
Siri!
What? So, about that. We're gonna check it at 45 minutes, but it usually takes an hour, okay? Until then, I'm gonna fire somebody for not having the sugar here. Goodbye. You ready to see how this came out, Jason?
Yep, I'm ready.
Okay. Oh, tilt-a-whirl. You also need whipped cream. You can make your own whipped cream with heavy whipping cream, obviously, but it's not how I really like to roll. And I feel like you're my people, my kind of people, and you don't like to roll like that either. Also, fun fact, instant dessert, right? But look at the crisp top. Look at that. Come on, look at this. Then do this. I definitely have to taste it first, just in case it's horrible. So far, so good. It was just a peach. It works. I'm not saying it's a 10 out of 10, I'm saying it's like a 9.5 out of a 10. Your nice little crust that everybody loves. It's like a warm apple fritter. Okay, so I'm not an expert baker. It tastes amazing. It's delicious. You still have everything. It's all warm, it's hot, it's cinnamony, it's sweet, sugary, all of it. I think the only difference is because we didn't have all of the rest of the sugar, the real sugar, when you use that powdered, it's supposed to be thicker. All right, it's not supposed to be this runny. It's really good. So, welcome to the fall, everybody. Welcome to the holiday season at Bobby Boyd Living. Did you hear that? Bobby Boyd Living. That's right, that's what we're doing here. We're giving you life. I hope you try this. I hope you were entertained. Maybe even try it the way I had to do it with the powdered sugar, and then you'll see I'm not lying. It's still great, it's still amazing. Hit the like button if you enjoyed your time here. Comment so I can respond to you and we can become BFFs and friends forever, like 143-623-823. And ring the bell so you know what we're up to. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed yourself and let's have so much fun this holiday season and let's get into it together. Until next time, kids, I love you mucho. Te amo mucho. Bye.